This work investigates whether interoception helps social cognition. It was inspired by an EPS prize lecture by Manos Sakiris a few years back that raised this interesting hypothesis. The idea is that interoception serves to stabilize the sense of self. Mentalizing requires a distinct representation of the perspectives of self and other, so interoception could facilitate mentalizing if it helps to prevent confusion between self and other representations. Currently, limited evidence supports this hypothesis. However, previous studies have looked at deliberate mentalizing, and our study is distinctive in measuring automatic mentalizing. 60 adults from the University of Westminster community took part in the study. They first undertook a standard heartbeat counting task and were instructed to mentally count their heartbeats over 3 random time intervals. The perceived number of heartbeats were combined with the actual number, such that high scores indicate high levels of interoceptive awareness. Participants then completed a standard dot perspective task, which is used to measure automatic perspective taking. They were asked to verify whether a digit matched the number of dots in a scene, taking either their own perspective or that of the avatar. The key manipulation in this task is consistency between the number of dots seen from participant and avatar perspectives. Own perspective trials are of particular interest because what the avatar can see is formally task irrelevant, so any consistency effect on response times indicates automatic perspective taking. Analyses were based on data from 54 participants after 6 were excluded, and the bar chart illustrates response time data for self-perspective judgments as a function of consistency, and also split by low versus high interoceptive accuracy grouping. ANOVA revealed a main effect of consistency, demonstrating spontaneous perspective taking. However, this was not found to interact with interoceptive accuracy groups. In a complementary analysis, a consistency effect score was computed for each participant by subtracting the response time for consistent trials from response time for inconsistent trials, and these scores were correlated with all interoceptive accuracy scores. Pearson correlation revealed no statistically significant correlation, and Bayes factors indicate a moderate level of support for the null. So our study does not provide evidence that implicit mentalizing is modulated by interoceptive awareness. In this respect, it appears that implicit mentalizing is no different from explicit mentalizing. Tentatively, we propose that perspective selection may be mediated by domain general executive processes rather than specialized self-other control processes. Thanks for your interest.